Hey, here's this BAUER 20V Hypermax Lithium battery half-inch compact hammer drill kit from Harbor Freight. This thing's darn near ready to rock and roll. I just pulled it out of the box just like this. Here's everything that came in the box. Got the case, the drill, battery, tool belt clip, directions, and rapid charger is what they're calling that. Comes with a couple of cool looking bits too. Flathead and the Phillips. I gotta say, this thing feels pretty heavy. It feels heavy duty. It's got some weight to it. What I want to do is install a tool belt clip, so this just goes right in there like that. Now the battery itself, it just slides on just like that. This thing's ready to go. I can tell you right now, this thing has amazing speed compared to my other cordless ones I used to have. And good trigger response time. The response time is awesome. It's a noticeable difference. Got two settings, so that was the second one. Let's try one there. Great response time too. Now you can see it's got different settings on here. So you can adjust it so it's nice and light. Here, let's put this in there. So all you do is just pop that in there, and then you hold this base here, right here, with this part of your hand, and then squeeze the trigger with the other, and it'll tighten it up around that bit. Give it a little bit, give it a little bit more, give it a lot. Nice. You can really feather this thing too. No complaints so far. Here's what a 15-30 seconds drill bit looks like in there. And there's a half-inch drill bit. That is nice. Let's go ahead and see how it handles the bit and a stump, and then a couple of auger bits too. I can barely hang on to that thing. That works great. This little one. Yeah, it's nice. Got this big long auger bit here. Let's try that. Handled it great.